In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change passcode on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then on Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and the passcode. That will prompt you to enter your current passcode, and then you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down for a bit until you find Change Passcode. Just tap on it. Then enter your old passcode again, and after that you will be able to set new passcode. There are some options here. You can tap at passcode options, and from here you can select custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, or 4-digit numeric code. So if you want to set just a short passcode, you can select 4-digit numeric code, and then in that simple way you can set new passcode. Just don't make it like me, like 1111. If you want to secure your device, I recommend you to set stronger passcode with some random digits. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.